The pharmaceutical industry employs almost 700,000 people in Europe. The market is dominated by large, multinational organisations that are in stiff competition with each other to develop and patent new drugs. But what about the people we go to buy these drugs from? In 11 out of the 27 EU member states, like Germany, Italy and Spain, only licensed pharmacists are allowed to own majority stakes in pharmacies. Chemists in these countries are smaller, independently run businesses, owned by the pharmacists who work in them. The European Commission has brought proceedings against several member states, claiming that restrictions on setting up pharmacies breach rules on freedom of establishment and movement of capital. A hearing organised in Parliament this week by EPP-ED MEP Cristina Gutiérrez-Cortines, however, focused on the risks of deregulation. Allowing the liberalisation of pharmacies would affect access to vital medicines and advice for those living in rural areas, where it is harder for pharmacies to make a profit, argues panel member and Italian MEP Stefano Zappala.
In Italia ci sono poco più di 8.200 comuni.
In Italy, there are just over 8,200 communes. Of these, 5,000 communes have fewer than 5,000 residents. These are all rural communes. They're all generally not easily accessible. All the evidence suggests that in Italy, the indiscriminate liberalisation of pharmacies would cause many of them to disappear.
A key case in the debate is that of pharmaceutical company Doc Morris. Based in the Netherlands, Doc Morris also trades in Germany and other countries by offering both prescription and non-prescription medications over the internet. This alternative method of selling medicines has been criticised by those who feel the pharmacist provides valuable advice to customers and is often the first port of call for those segments of the population who don't have access to the internet. Gutiérrez-Cortines, chairing the hearing, emphasised the pharmacist's important role as an impartial intermediary between drugs manufacturers and consumers.
En todos los casos, está claro que el farmacéutico es una figura esencial.
In any case, it is clear that the pharmacist plays an essential role in interpreting the information in the notices that accompany drugs and, above all, in advising the patient in a personal and direct way. This is how the Mediterranean pharmaceutical model works. We therefore believe the liberalisation process started by the Commission goes against this emerging philosophy of improving the system of quality for and information given to the patient.
Mejora del sistema de calidad y de información al paciente.
What, in your view, are the risks of selling drugs online?
Podemos decir con toda claridad que
we can say without hesitation that since the huge increase in sales of these products online, the number of counterfeit drugs and the risks for patients have increased as well.
The EPP-ED group strongly supports more choice for consumers. It works towards guaranteeing innovation and competitiveness in industry, as long as this is not at the expense of the health and safety of European citizens. For more information on the group's policies in this area, visit our website epp-ed.eu. Thanks for watching and see you again soon.